Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to the coach. In this video I will show you how you can sell your services, Dall-E services online. So first of all, first thing that you can do is create an account on Fiverr, and on Fiverr you can sell your AI services. If I go here to AI services, Fiverr.com AI services, you can see that Fiverr is providing the AI services. You can provide your AI services here on Fiverr, and you can sell your art here as well. So this is the first thing that you can do, is to sell your art on Fiverr, and you can also do it on other websites like Upwork. You can go here and create an account on Upwork as an AI artist, and you can sell your services here on this website as well. Another thing that you can do is you can go onto freelancer.com. So freelancer.com is another website. Here you can see there are many people that are working over here, getting thousands of reviews, and you can sell your AI services, Dall-E services here on this platform as well. Another thing that you can do is you can sell your art on Shutterstock. On Shutterstock, you can see that you can buy the images, and you can sell your images on Shutterstock as well. There is a recent update that you can sell your Shutterstock is allowing you to sell your services, sell your AI art on it as well. So you can sell your Shutterstock, your images, your AI art on Shutterstock as well. Another thing that you can do is you can sell your stuff on Adobe Store. So you can also create an account on Adobe Store, and you can sell your services here as well. Another website that you can use to sell your stuff is Redbubble. Redbubble is basically a print-on-demand site. Basically, you print your designs on bags, on phone covers, on stickers, on hoodies, and you sell it that way. Redbubble gives you the commission for each product they sell. So basically, this is also a good thing to do with AI art. Another website that you can use is Teespring. This is also our print-on-demand site. It prints your designs on shirts, on caps, on bags, on a lot of stuff, on stickers, on pants, etc., etc. So basically, they are selling your designs on their stuff, and they're giving you a commission on that. So you can sell your AI art on Teespring as well. Another thing that you can do is to create your store on Etsy. On Etsy, you can sell your design as well by, printing your design as this portrait over here. You can print your designs on stuff like t-shirts, like jewelry, accessories. You can do a lot of stuff here, and you can sell your designs and posters over here on Etsy as well. And in last, you can also sell your NFTs by creating AI art NFTs. You can create your NFTs, and you can sell your NFTs on OpenSea. You can create all your NFTs in Dall-E, and you can sell them over here. So this is the one thing that you can do, and these are all the ways, and there are other ways as well, but these are the main ways that you can use, and must try one of these. You can use these ways to sell your AI art that you are creating, and you can later use that money to buy more credits on Dall-E.